So our students, they learn basic vitals. They also learn how to work in a hospital or in a long-term care facility. They learn how to take care of patients, shower, shave, abnormal signs, things they need to notify the nurse or the doctor about. We have two components to our class. We have a written portion where we study the textbook, learn a lot of vitals and key facts. And then we also have a clinical portion where it's hands-on. We start out by practicing on mannequins and on other students, and then we actually go to a facility, do clinical settings, and practice on real patients. It's a good basis to check their skills, make sure we're on target, and prepare them for the real world. So not only do we do LNA and CNA here, we also have a medical assisting program and also a phlebotomy program, so we can cover all the needs and help train medical staff for our area. So our students have quite a variety of range. I had some from Kingman, I have some from Chenli, Kayenta, as far down as White River, Springerville, St. John's. Pretty much all over the state, we are pretty diverse.
Hi, my name's Ayana Yazzie. I go to school at Winslow High School and I'm a student from MPC going to school for CNA. My mom is a nurse and my godmom is also an RN, and I've seen all of their techniques and I've heard so many stories, and that really encouraged me to be a nurse. My favorite part of the class is definitely the mannequins. They have all these different parts that we get to practice on, and we just got this new arm that we can take blood pressure on. It's pretty cool. If you're an upcoming senior and you want to be in the medical field, you want to take care of patients and help people, I would really recommend this class to you. You get so much hands-on experience, and the teachers are great, your peers are great, all the people that you're going to meet are great, and you're going to have an amazing time. I would really recommend this class.
My name is Kennedy Flake. I'm a senior and this is my first semester here at NAVIT. And what inspired me to do this class is my mom, because she's a nurse and I look up to her a lot, and that's what I want to do for my future. My favorite part about the class is making friends, and the instructors are really great. If you're an upcoming student, I would definitely recommend this class because it jumpstarts your career, especially if you want to go into the medical field.
My name is Danae, and I'm a student here at the NAVIT CNA class here at NPC. What inspired me was I really look up to my relatives who are working in the healthcare field, and I really like helping people in need. My favorite part about the class is getting the experience to learn how to be a CNA, and I really like meeting new people and helping out. I would recommend this class a lot if you're a junior or senior upcoming. It really helps you get into the healthcare field. It gives you that experience, it gives you that real life work career type of thing, and it really helped me understand the ways to be a CNA. Thank you, NPC and your instructors. You guys really helped me with my CNA career and path that I'm taking.
Favorite part about the class is watching the students grow and blossom, and light bulb goes on and they get what they're doing and why it's important and how it can affect the lives of others and bless their lives and get them better and back on their feet.